Hi, my name is Ava. I did my science project on earthquakes and the stability of skyscrapers, building the tallest tower. How do engineers safe buildings that are tall? An engineer designs a building to handle the force that push and pull on the building. Force come from many sources: gravity, people, and inside, weight of the building, materials, weather, and environment. If the design is stable, then the force will not weaken and the building will not collapse. On one type of force that is an earthquake. Earthquakes happen when Earth's planet moves. It gets stuck for a while and then suddenly comes close on one way to copy the earthquake and test to see if a design is stable is to shake a table. Skyscrapers are a beautiful buildings. What does it take to design a building so tall? People use strong materials, use designs to test gravity. They are use special tables to act like earthquakes and test their buildings. In this project, an earthquake table, and I saw how tall I could make a tower out of Lego bricks. Then I measured how hard the earthquake table shook. What type of building is the most stable? I don't know that word. Purpose. In the experiments, I will make a shake table to test if the height of the building will affect the stability. Problem/question. Are short buildings more stable than tall buildings? Hypothesis. During an earthquake, I will believe a shorter building would be more stable than a taller building. With Legos, I think the shorter tower will not fall down. Height of tower: 1/3 inches tower, 1/6 inches tower, 1/12 inches tower, 1/15 inches tower. Each time the earthquake shake table was pulled out 2 inches. Materials: Lego bricks, Lego base plate, plexiglass 2, bouncy balls 4, rubber bands 2, roller tape, and scissors. Building a shake table is to test tower stability. People put plexiglass on top of each other. Put rubber bands around both sides. Put balls in between the plexiglass sheet at each corner. Add Lego plate on top to shake the table under. Rubber bands. Build Lego towers at different heights: 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 inches. Test each tower by pulling top glass piece right down, or if the tower falls. This is my data. The Lego buildings that were 3, 6, and 9 inches tall not fall, but when the tables pulled out, the Lego buildings were at 12 and 15 inches fell over when the table was pulled out. Stability, fall versus height, and placement. This is my graph. Conclusion. I learned that the shorter buildings are more stable, taller buildings. I also learned that make buildings strong, it would have a bigger bottom part than the top. The taller it gets, the weaker it is. Application. When the buildings make skyscrapers, they must make sure the bottom of the building is sturdy. Shorter buildings are safe inside during an earthquake. As of 2017, the tallest building in the world is in Dubai, and it is 2,717 feet. I start with a skinny towers, but by the end of the project, I learned to make a stable tower from the Legos. Thank you, Ava B.